second consecutive quarter, it's a weak set of numbers reported by Indus Towers. Now, though on a Q-on-Q basis, you might see growth on the revenue, EBITDA, net profit front, but there are a lot of adjustments that have been done by the company. And the first big adjustment that the company has done on the revenue and on the EBITDA front is there's a 1,000 crore one-time settlement gain which has come in, which has been on the revenue, which has directly flown on to the EBITDA, and hence we are seeing at least a better performance compared to what actually it should be. On the negative side, if you see, the adjustment that has been done is a 1,700 crore negative adjustment that has been done, and that's a provision on doubtful debt, and this is for the second consecutive quarter where they have provided a big amount. Now, 1,700 crore is nearly 28% of their FY22 net profit, and this has been done because of a delayed payment from one of the large customers, which is most likely Vodafone Idea, and this continues to be a concern when it comes to Indus Tower, because for the first half of financial year they have provided for nearly 3,000 crore rupees, and given the fact that recently Vodafone Idea had issued debentures to ATC because they could not pay their vendor, the street is also expecting that similar kind of thing can be done with Indus Towers also, which has around 7,000 crore rupees of receivables from Vodafone Idea. So that's the biggest concern that has come in for Indus Towers in the second quarter of 23. Along with this, if you see the gross debt on the balance sheet side, the gross debt of the company has increased by around 10% on a YOY basis, and they are also planning to raise around another 2,000 crore rupees via NCD, which would increase the company's net debt by nearly 333%, which is also a concern, because if you see the company's cash and cash balance is at its lowest in the last 3 years, which is very unlikely for a company like Indus Towers, which has been continuously generating free cash flows and has been giving dividends to investors in the past.